In today's video, I am going to teach you how to block all adult websites on Google Chrome in any Windows PC or laptop. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three vertical dots. This opens the main Chrome menu, where you can access the browser settings and other controls. From that menu, select Settings. After the Settings page opens, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Privacy and Security. Next, click on Security. This page controls how Chrome handles secure browsing protections and DNS settings. Scroll down until you reach the Advanced section. In that area, you will see an option called Use Secure DNS. Turn that setting on. When Secure DNS is enabled, Chrome can use a specific DNS provider to help control how website requests are handled. After enabling it, choose the option that says Choose another provider. A drop-down menu will appear with different DNS providers. Open that drop-down and select Clean Browsing. Then choose the Family Filter option if it appears as part of the provider label. This provider is designed to block adult content and create a safer browsing experience. Once that is selected, Chrome will begin using that DNS service for supported requests. Keep in mind that this setting works best when Chrome is allowed to handle DNS securely, and it may not override every network configuration in every environment. The final step is to restart your browser. Close Google Chrome completely, then open it again. That covers everything you need to know.